Hi, Zach here from Revolution Automotive. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this auto unfold and fold on your Nissan GT-R R35. So it's pretty simple. Here is the universal auto fold unfold module right there. And there is 4 wires, as you can see, that's coming out here, which is these 4 wires. So 2 goes to the original auto fold and unfold. Well, not auto, but yeah, the fold and unfold switch that's on the car. As you can see here, these 2 wires. You gotta cut it and connect it to one end. And the wires that is going to the module that side mirrors is going to be this wire that goes to the module as well. So it's basically not a T-junction, but a bridge. And for the fold and unfold, it's connected to the door panel. So you got to remove this part here. It's pretty simple. You just got to push it to the side like that. And you got to push it all the way up to maybe 100 degrees. And that socket will just pops out by itself. So I'm not going to show you how to remove the inside part, but it's basically just one small clip down here, right down there. You just push it up and you push out into the kick panel right there. So that's where you're going to access that module. And from there, you just wire these 2 wires. One is fold and one is unfold. And you got to test it because every car works differently. So that's why I didn't show which wire I tap into, because I noticed for a friend, it was a totally different wire. So get a test pen, test it, and then make sure it works. So just put everything back up and that's it. And once you close your doors, lock it, and it will auto fold by itself and it will unfold by itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope this is useful for everyone. Take care.